Hello, welcome back. Right, back on the van today. I had a few weeks off, Christmas, New Year, all that kind of thing. Plus we've been away, so back on it today. Well, yesterday actually. So yesterday I managed to get the worktop cut. Got it in, sinks in. It's just sat in. There's no waste. Taps in and plumbed in. But today I'm going to tackle this in here. So this is what is going to be the shower. Obviously there's no water here. I've took it out because I need to get all the way around here to get the bulkhead trim round. But anyway, what I've done is I've just been up on the roof. You can see here there's two pilot holes, so that will determine where I need to be on the roof. That one is wrong, that one is right. So I'll go on the roof, drill some holes, make a mess, get iron filings everywhere. I'll see you up there. Right, so that's me up on the roof. Chucked a few towels around the area just to try and save the metal filings going everywhere. Probably still get some through, but it is what it is, isn't it? So what I've done is I've put a pilot hole through. So that's my starting point, and just follow the line round, and that's it. So off we trot. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Safety first and all that shit. Right, so one hole in roof. Right, so I'll deburr that, give it a bit of paint, stop the rust, and then we'll see if it fits. So obviously you can see what I'm doing. I've just got a cotton bud, some paint on, and I'm just going over all the bare metal. Make sure no rust gets a hold and rots my roof. Lovely. Right, so I've cut the hole, and you can probably see around the edges I've scuffed it up where it's going to sit. Painted the inside to stop rust, so I'm just going to give it a quick clean now with some alcohol and then make sure there's no crap on it. Beautiful. And alcohol, if you use a Sharpie on it, if you use the alcohol when you're cleaning it, actually takes the Sharpie off as well, which is quite handy. So that's all nice and clean, ready for some bond. Right, so I've left the bonding on the radiator just to warm it up, because it's not the warmest of days today, but it is what it is, isn't it? Right, let's see if it all fits together. Right, so what I've done is I've drilled little pilot holes right round. In fact, I think I missed one actually. But anyway, drilled the pilot holes right round. I have put a wooden, what's the word, brace underneath to screw into. So now, time for the gunge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gunge this first, and hopefully this works. So just for good measure, I'm also putting a bead around here so no water can get in. At least that's the theory. And what I'll do is I'll build it up once this is set in place. God, it goes for your arms, this. There's probably people do this differently to what I've done, but I'm no expert. I just make it up as I go along. Don't we all? So if I can just flip that there, and what I'll do is I'll get a bead on there as well. A bit that I missed with the... Right, so in theory, he says this should go in here. Something like that. And that should sit like so. So then we've got these little stainless screws that should, if my calculations are correct, go all the way through here. Right, that's it sealed right round. Hopefully it doesn't leak, but time will tell. So anyway, I just need to put the lid on and sort the inside out, but please for now. I'll tidy that up in a minute. I'll just let that go for a little bit, then I'll get some squidgy on my hand, and no, it's not silicone, it's bond. So I know it looks clear, but it's clear bond, just like the chains. Doesn't look right to me. God. Easy. And that is that in. So hopefully that doesn't leak. Time will tell. It's due rain tomorrow, so we'll find out. Right, now for the inside. Oh, I need to put my Starlink in. Can't see me. Need to put my Starlink in as well, so that's going to be another hole, but that's fairly easy, so I'll probably do that now. Right, so that's the roof bit done for the Maxx Air Dome Fan. All done and dusted, sealed, everything. So obviously, as you can see in here, the shower isn't done yet, but the fan's in. So I think that's going to have to do for this time, until I get the shower done. So once it's all done, obviously you'll see what the fan looks like and all that, but I'm sure you've seen them all before. So right, next job.